Contract them. Activate your glutes. Activate your core. Going 4 more. 4, 3, 2, and relax. Breathe. Breathe. Inhale, exhale. Okay? Breathe. You need to get your heart rate slowly down. Breathe. Breathe. Okay? Now I want you to take your right heel out. Bend your left leg. Go down. Keep your chest close to your thighs as much as possible without bending this knee. Okay? So your right knee is extended. Get your chest close to the right knee. Inhale, exhale. Breathe, breathe. Slowly come up. And change. Go down. Try to reach your heel. अगर आप heel reach नहीं कर पाते हो, knees तक जाओ. लेकिन धीरे धीरे chest लेके आओ. आपके left thigh के close लेके आओ chest. Breathe. Inhale, exhale. And come back. Knees and toes are pointing out. Okay? Slowly go down. You can reach here or here. आपका range जैसा रहेगा वैसे. Hold your ankles. अभी आपके knees को push करो अपने elbows से. Hold the stretch. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Deep breathing. Deep breathing. Inhale and exhale. Good. Okay. Lift up. Turn. Place your right knee down. Okay. Your left knee to ankle in one line. Let the knee not cross the toe. ठीक है? ये वाला leg जितना पीछे लेके जा सकते हो, उतना पीछे लेके जाओ. आपका right leg. Okay. Just stay here. Stretch your hip flexor. Breathe. Keep your back tall. Stretched up. And slowly come up. Change. Turn to your right. Place your left knee down. Right knee to ankle in one line. Push the hip slightly forward and breathe. Stretch your left hip flexor. Okay. Now keep both knees down. Keep your toes down. Place your hip on the heel. Let your hands come onto the floor. It's okay if your head does not touch the floor. Place the hip on the heel. That's more important, okay? And slowly go down. Inhale and exhale. Breathe. And come back. Okay? Abhi lift your knees off. Take your left leg in. Left leg in. Cross karo. Chest to your left thigh. Extend your arm. Cross करना है आपको. पैर ऐसे cross करना है. ऐसे जाएगा और chest onto your thigh. Stretching your outer thigh. Stretching your glutes. Breathe. Inhale and exhale. Walk your hands back. Walk your hands back. You come up. Cross the right leg in. Place your chest onto the right thigh. Extend your arms. Place your head down. Breathe. Inhale and exhale. Stretch your right glute, right outer thigh. And walk your hands back. From there, you lift up to an inverted V or a downward dog. This is a downward dog. इसमें palms अच्छे से आप press करना है. आपके shoulder blades को squeeze करो. आपके tail bone को ceiling की तरफ लेके जाना है. Knees को अच्छे से extend करके heels आपको नीचे press करना है. Chest, get it closer to your thigh. Breathe. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now slowly walk your legs in. Walk your legs in. Slowly come up. One vertebrae at a time. Slowly come up. Lift your chin up. Finish shoulder rolls. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Reverse it. 8, 7, 6. Squeeze your shoulder blades. 5, 4, 2. Okay. Now take your right arm up. Slightly pull the wrist and lean. Lean towards the left. Glutes को tight रखिए. Keep your glutes tight. Keep your core tight. Breathe well. Come back up. Now take your left arm up. Slightly pull it from the wrist and then lean towards the right. Breathe. Both arms go back. Interlock your fingers. Shoulder blades को squeeze करके stretch the chest. Breathe. And relax. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. As you exhale. Thank you so much. I had a great time working out with you guys. I hope you all did too. Thank you so much. Over to you, Shirley. Thank you guys. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. And I believe that सभी लोगों ने वर्कआउट किया है. काफी बढ़िया. सबने एंजॉय किया या नहीं किया? जितने लोगों ने एंजॉय किया वो एक बार बड़ा जोरदार दोनों थम्स अप करके मुझे दिखाए. Yes, I think so. Everyone has enjoyed. Yes, काफी मुझे लोग वर्कआउट करके दिखाई देते हैं. And I think so. It was very easy steps. अगर आप देख सकते हैं, हर कोई कर पा रहा था. I think so. आप सब लोग इस बात से अग्री करेंगे. बहुत हार्ड नहीं था. And इजी के साथ साथ मुझे ऐसा लगता है इस जो स्टेप्स जो आप लोग कर रहे थे उस पे आज कैलोरीज आपने बहुत ज्यादा बर्न करी होगी. सो अगर मैं पूछूं